Hello, today we're going to talk about factorials. 6 performers are to present their comedy acts on a weekend evening at a comedy club. One of the performers insists on being the last comic of the evening. If this performer's request is granted, how many different ways are there to schedule the appearances? Alright, so we know we have 6 performers. And one of these, they want to go at the very last, which is fine. So we have 6 performers. So if that one person is last, we don't have to deal with him. We're just going to leave him alone. That means we only have to deal with the 5 performers left. We want to know how many different ways can we arrange these performers in our lineup. Okay? Well, the first performer will have can pick from 5 different slots. He can either perform first, or he can perform second, third, fourth, or fifth. He cannot perform last because we already have that taken. So the first performer will have 5 different ways. The second performer can choose from 4 different ways because now we've already got the last spot filled and we already got one of the other spots filled. So that means there's 4 slots left. The third performer will have 3 slots to pick from. The next performer will have 2 slots. And then the other person will have just 1 slot to pick from. Okay, so we wanted to know how many different ways can these slots be filled up. So all we have to do is multiply these numbers together. As you can see, this is a factorial. When you multiply these numbers together, it's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, you get 120. This is also considered a factorial. In factorial, to do factorials, you do it just like I have above. N is the amount of people that you're dealing with. We're dealing with 5 performers, so that would be 5 factorial. You would write it out just like this: 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If you like to program things in Excel, you can get Excel to do this. The command for Excel is equal fact, F-A-C-T, and then the number that you're dealing with. So N in this case will be 5. You can put this into Excel and you would calculate 120.